दुख का दरिया और शर्म का समंदर होता है, सबसे खौफनाक भूख का मंजर होता है। डू यू नो, आज रात ना जाने कितने लोग बिना कुछ खाए सोने वाले हैं और एक दिन में ना जाने कितने बच्चे इस हंगर की बैटल में अपनी जंग हार जाते हैं। और क्या इसका कोई सोल्यूशन है? हाय, आई शुभम नारायण सिंह एंड टुडे आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हंगर, भूख, भुखमरी, स्टार्वेशन and why hunger has become a global issue. And in the next few minutes, I'm just going to discuss कि ये hunger एक कितनी बड़ी problem है, what we can do to avoid the wastage of food, and what is the solution for this hunger, and in last, what we can do to fight with this battle. So let's start this video. As we all know that India is being considered as an agricultural land. More than 60.45% of the land is under cultivation. But during this crisis, the biggest problem is that the scarcity of food, and only because of that reason, the people were started moving back to their native place because they feel helpless. There is enough food for everyone, but not everyone is having enough food, and this is only because that we are wasting the food without thinking a minute. And according to the survey, it is being found that the food which is being produced in our country, out of which more than 40% of food is being thrown away, it is being kept in a wastage. और इस वेस्टेज की वजह से पैदा होती है हंगर और भूखमरी, और एक ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जिसकी लड़ाई कई सालों से चल रही है. एंड टुडे अराउंड मोर देन 850 million people were facing a problem related to hunger. It's around 1 in every 9 people. But the problem is that no one is still addressing this problem, and only because of that reason, if I talk about the global hunger index, in that particular index, India is on 103rd position out of 119. One side our government is saying that we are having a surplus food for our people, and on the other hand we have seen that more than 20 crore people were going hungry every night. Only because of our food wastage, in a recent statistic, it has been found that in every 15 seconds a child dies as a result of hunger. According to the report of FAO, more than 1 lakh crore of food is being wasted every year, and that is equivalent to serving more than 194 million people. And one more thing, that in our country India, the first food distribution program was launched in 1939, and still in 2020 more than 189.2 million people were undernourished. ऐसे आप सब लोगों ने एक चीज तो नोटिस जरूर किया होगा कि ये भूख से होने वाली मौतों का आंकड़ा ना तो हमें मीडिया दिखाती है और ना ही कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज अपने रैली में से डिस्कस करती है. पता है ऐसा क्यों होता? क्योंकि मीडिया या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की नजरों में इनकी कोई वजूद नहीं होती. एंड वन मोर थिंग, that hunger and malnutrition is one of the biggest risks worldwide, even bigger than AIDS, malaria, tuberculosis combined. And more than 45% of a death of a child below 5 years of age is just only because of a hunger. But still no one is taking care about all this thing. No one is over there who's going to talk about all this thing. It's quite shameful for the people. We all have to accept that only we are responsible for such types of global crisis. Because every time blaming to the government is not a solution of any problem. Only because of our carelessness and our habit of wasting the food is only the reason of such types of crisis. And one more thing, that it is being estimated nearly 1/3 of our food which is being produced worldwide for the human consumption, it is being thrown. 40% of fruits and vegetables which is being produced for the human consumption, it is also put into the garbage. And even 30% of our cereals is also put into the garbage. This is only because of improper storage facilities, improper supply chain. Some key facts about hunger in India. As we all know that India is having a population of more than 138 million. India is the largest home of unnourished population in the world. Approximately more than 189.2 million people. That is the 14% of the total population of India is unnourished. 30% of children under 5 is underweight. हंगर का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है लैक ऑफ एक्सेस ऑफ फूड. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डिस्कस दैट व्हाट वी कैन डू टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज इन अ सोसाइटी. अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? सोल्यूशन नंबर 1, वी शुड हैव टू टेक ओनली दैट मच अमाउंट ऑफ फूड इन आवर प्लेट दैट वी कैन कंज्यूम. सेकंड थिंग इज दैट बिफोर वेस्टिंग द फूड वी शुड हैव टू रियलाइज that the thing which we are going to waste, there might be chances that it is going to be a meal for someone. Solution number 3, instead of wasting the food, we should always try to preserve them. Or if you thought that someone is over there who is in a need of that particular food, so try to distribute that among them. Now in the last of this particular video, I just want to tell you one thing, that it is not possible for us to go door to door to help the needy one. But what we can do, we should have to avoid the excessive use of food. We should have to avoid the wastage of food. By doing all this thing, we can contribute small to the society, and by doing all this thing, we can think for the better tomorrow.